This area, the front garden, received some clearing in the fall. So here we have those are the daylilies, and then there are the tulips that are coming up. And then back there I have the daffodils. You can see them shooting up against the wall there. Yeah, we can see the tulips. You see them? All red. They're coming up. I kind of covered them with this netting and things just to protect them from the squirrels. But you can see that there's still a lot of garden cleanup to do here. You can see the iris coming in. And I have to trim down the rose bush here. Clean up the back there. But you can see the tulips shooting up. And over here, my rose bush here, this Rosa rugosa, looks like it's gaining some buds there, leaves forming. But there's a lot of work to do. It's going to get warmer soon, so I'm going to be able to do that. The temperature has been fairly cold for so long that it's very hard to get outside and do any work. But I think now the temperatures are becoming much more milder, and we are going to be getting some 50-degree temps. So I got to get out here next week definitely and get to work, because I can see my tulips just bursting there. I planted them all around and they are definitely showing up. There are a lot of twigs and branches that have fallen. This seems to be doing okay. I see some buds coming up. But I've got my work cut out for me. I think just after just a few days, out here diligently working on the garden. Will bring about a revival. But what I really like here, these plants here, they're evergreen, and there is sign of hope with them. Pachysandra. Yeah. The Pachysandra's done very well. I like Pachysandra. Well, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update on the garden and the fact that life is coming to the garden. I'm gonna have my tulips soon. Yes. Soon it will not be looking like this anymore. Amen. I'm looking forward to the transformation of the garden. It's going to be wonderful.
Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed. Please subscribe to Catherine's Garden on YouTube. Thank you. Be blessed. Bye.